Right now, while you're deciding whether to invest in AI or not, your competitors are already building with it, and the gap, it's widening every single day. History is clear. Early adopters don't just survive disruption, they define it. Companies that adopted cloud early didn't just save costs, they moved faster than competitors still managing servers. The same is happening with AI right now. For startups and small business, AI isn't about replacing humans, it's about velocity. You can ship features in days that used to take weeks. You can test ideas faster, iterate quicker, and respond to customers before your competitors even finish planning. You don't have the engineering army that big tech has, but with AI, you don't need it. Early adopters are making 5-person teams as productive as 20. They're punching above their weight because they learned to leverage AI while others waited. AI adoption has a learning curve. Teams using it now are developing intuition and building workflows, and by the time everyone else jumps in, early adopters will have years of experience, and you cannot buy that advantage later. Your customers are already experiencing AI-powered service from other companies. They expect faster responses, smarter recommendations, and seamless experiences. If you're not delivering that, someone else will, and they will take your customers with them. Everyone's worried about adopting AI too early, but the biggest risk isn't moving too fast, it's moving too slow and waking up in a market where you can't compete. The window is open, but it won't stay open forever.